to all. We are the Group 3 and we are here today to present our proposed facility layout for Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ. So before we start, let me introduce myself and my group. My name is Micah, Juliana, Montano, the team leader. And I also have here with me NIKKA, SHAYNE, PAMINTUAN, ALODIA, BLANCHE, PARAISO, ELAIN, JOYCE, PEJI, ENRICO, BANDOL, RONALDO, David, and MEHGUEL, MEDIANA. So to formally start our discussion, facility planning emphasizes the need of maximizing and utilizing the available space in any facility. The main goal of facility planning is to create efficiency in the workplace. Facilities are the critical components of an organization's strategic facility planning since they are the outcome of business decision-making processes and have a long-term impact on the support for the achievement of organization's vision and mission. So to provide a comprehensive plan, the team has explored various business goals of each business unit in order to provide a concrete proposed facility plan. So this paper will focus on examining the current facility layout of Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ in order to provide an ideal proposal for the said business. Moving forward to company background, Curtain Decor was first established in the year 2007 by Ms. Agnes and Asper Pamintuan. Its first ever physical store was initially located in SM Dasmariñas since it was the only mall that allowed outsider curtain sellers at that time. However, come 2013, the mall decided to terminate the shop's tenancy due to the reason that it affects the sales of other curtain shops in the said mall. Having said this, the owners decided to put up 5 branches all at once to be able to keep the business running. The branches were strategically dispersed across several areas in order to attract wider target market. The stores were located at Purgold Bansa, Purgold Anabu, Central Mall Binyan, Central Mall Dasmariñas, and Robinson's General Trias. The business also has a 3-story facility in Molino for Bacoor where their products are being made and produced. So the COVID-19 has become a pandemic and has created a havoc economically, socially, and environmentally. In the midst of lockdowns and quarantines in 2020, the daughter of the founders of Curtain Decor was inspired to create a business of her own with the objective of creating affordable and fashionable face masks. Fashion IQ was founded by NIKKA, SHAYNE, PAMINTUAN and is operated entirely through e-commerce. The business first ventured in social media platforms, mainly Instagram, for the first quarter of 2020. The business soon reached and entered online marketplaces such as Shopee and Lazada in order to further improve their customer reach.
So my name is Ronaldo David. I will be discussing milestones as well as the industry map. So Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ achieved numerous milestones throughout its operations. For Curtain Decor, the mother business is able to establish 5 physical stores after its first store in SM Dasmariñas. Curtain Decor also participated in bazaar events, which are SM Christmas Bazaar in SM Mega Mall of 2019, DTI Negosyong Lokal Bazaar 2018 in SM Molino, and DTI Negosyong Lokal Bazaar 2019 in District Mall Imus. Fashion IQ is able to achieve numerous milestones, which differs from its mother business. Fashion IQ is able to achieve best-selling products towards online shops Lazada and Shopee. The business is also able to procure corporate partnerships across the country. Both Fashion IQ and Curtain Decor is able to get their business DTI accredited. For the industry map, Curtain Decor has its own industry, which it is home furnishing. With this, it also comes with different sets of competitors. For Fashion IQ, its industry revolves around PPE because of its product face mask. For its competitors, Curtain Decor identify its business to be local. Through this, many prominent brands still inhabit the local market of home furnishing. All home, urban concept, and furniture fair are considered the main local competitors of Curtain Decor. Fashion IQ operates differently through online shopping stores. The product specializes only on face masks, which limits the number of competitors the business will face. Its main competitors are SMEs, who also offer face masks in the same e-commerce platform. Suppliers, both business utilizes fabric and textile to produce their products, Curtain Decor with its curtains and Fashion IQ with its face masks. Although the industry of fabrics and textiles in the Philippines is mainly importing the materials from other countries, there are some local shops that specialize in weaving textiles and fabrics. Distributor for Curtain Decor's products are home furniture and fixture stores. Curtains are considered to be home fixtures and can be seen through many furniture stores. Curtain Decor is able to distribute its products through their 5 physical retail stores across the Cavite area. On the other hand, Fashion IQ caters toward its online consumers because of how they are operating through e-commerce. Customers, Curtain Decor specializes on curtains products which cater towards a more niche market. These targeted consumers are identified to be homeowners as well as curtain lovers who outfit their homes with personalized home furnishing products. Fashion IQ products face masks which target its own niche market. Its consumers are also identified to need features of safety, stylish, and comfortability in their face mask products. For the competitive advantage, the mother business as well as its extension business possess different competitive advantage in their respective industries. Curtain Decor products offer wide variety of options while being high quality and affordable. The market curtain is niche and there are less competitors to engage on for the market share of curtain products. Fashion IQ's products provide customers with a wide array of masks to choose from, which does not limit them in choosing. This results in customers' retention, which negates customers going to other competitors who face mass products. Fashion IQ is able to gain access towards fabrics from their mother business, which enables them to combat their competitors' price through ensured quality and affordability products.
Hi, my name is ALODIA Blanche Paraiso, and for the product description, Curtain Decor offers a wide variety of curtain designs made with brocade fabric. The design that only appears on the curtain's fabric is usually made from satin or twill weave. The curtain is a standard size of 60 inches in width and 80 inches in length with heat-insulating qualities and a degree of light absorption. The different types of curtains available are panel pair and single panel. These curtains have opacity options like sheer, semi-opaque, and blackout. With these curtain variations, customers can style their curtain according to their preference: classic, modern, and unique. For Fashion IQ, these masks have 3 layers of breathable fabric with ear loops made with 100% cotton and nose contour to have a distinct structure. It comes with 3 types: 2-ply with no filter pocket, 3-ply with secured filter pockets, and 3D mask that has an ample space so that customers can still wear a surgical or KF94 mask inside for added protection.
So moving forward to the current facility layout, with the complexity of the business, it has a 3-story facility located in Molino 4, Bacoor. It is where their products are being made and produced. The facility is divided into several areas and workstations in order to provide ease in production and at the same time create a healthy work environment for its personnel. So the first floor of the facility contains the receiving area so that the inbound and outbound deliveries are accessible through the main entrance. The second floor of the facility is divided into 2 main areas as well. The left part of the floor houses the cutting room, while the right part of the second floor is intended for the live selling room. The topmost floor of the facility is intended for the primary storage area.
I am NIKKA PAMINTUAN and I will be presenting the facility design, quantitative analysis, and payback period. The facility management is classified into 2 categories, which are the hard facility management and soft facility management. For the hard facility, there is a lack of ventilation and air conditioning system in Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ, as they are only using an electric fan to maintain the airflow in the area. The company has no fire exit to get out quickly in case of emergency. For the soft facility, Curtain Decor and IQ have proper waste management disposal as they provide label and colored bins to promote recycling. The company also practices waste minimization by turning its scraps of fabric into a new product, which reduces the waste in the environment.
For the current layout design, the first floor of the facility is the receiving area and at the same time the stitching area. The products of Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ are only made by a sewing machine which is located on the second floor of the facility where cutting and sewing happen. Then the rest of the process is handmade. There's a total of 8 sewing machines being used. It will be advisable if the whole production process is made in one area only because with the current facility layout design, there is also a stitching area on the first floor. The area where the production takes place lacks proper arrangement of materials and equipment because the current facility layout design has no proper designated area for the production of curtains, face masks, and clothes. Basically, the machinery and the materials are arranged based on the similarity of the procedures. On the other hand, there is no furnishings or decorative accessories in the facility because the area is mainly for production only.
Hi, my name is ELAIN PEJI, and Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ handling system design consists of a room system and manual process of garment making system. The knowledge and skills of measuring, marking, cutting, and stitching, which is done using appropriate tools, is included in the manual handling process. This is the most effective technique to handle the flow of materials in the facility because the machines and rooms are close to each other. The work schedule is from Mondays to Sundays, a one-week production starting from 8 o'clock a.m. up to 8 o'clock p.m. Their production schedule starts from stitching the ordered mask every morning, then after lunch onward, they processed all the curtains orders. In terms of delivery services in Fashion IQ, for the courier, they only have one on Shopee, which is the J&T Express, since they have a good experience in terms of service and have already established a good relationship with the riders. While in delivering their curtain decor products, Monday, Wednesday, Friday is the schedule of these curtains using an own private car of the business.
Basically, this is the proposed facility layout.
I am MEDIANA. For the facility system design, the team assessed and identified the areas that need improvement, placement of facilities room, organization of production and storage areas, and space utilization. After identifying these areas for improvement, the team proposed the following to help the company achieve better business operation. First, the first floor of the current facility design consists of restroom and stitching area. To utilize the space, the team proposed to divide the first floor into two parts. The left side would include the receiving area, manager's room, locker wall, and restroom, while the right side will include the packaging area and showroom and live selling room. The team proposed to remove the stitching area from the first floor so that all the production process would be done in one area. Second, in the current layout design, the live selling room and cutting room are located in the second floor. The team recommend to use the whole space of the second floor as a storage area since Curtain Decor has a business extension which is Fashion IQ. It would be better and easier if the storage area of the curtains is separated from the storage area of the face mask and the clothes. Each storage room will consist of steel shelves and rack with the proper grid, column, height, and spacing. Lastly, the team proposed that the whole space for the third floor is used for the production area. It would be divided into two areas as well. The left side is for the sewing room of masks, clothes, and curtains. There must be a divider placed to achieve an organized workplace for the employees. There should be an emergency exit on the left side in case of unwanted circumstances. The right side would include the stitching and cutting room. The team recommend to have a restroom on the third floor mainly for employee use, and to have a balcony wherein employees can relax and mingle. This proposed facility system layout design will allow the employees to have a comfortable and safe working environment. It will also increase their productivity and motivation.
I'm ENRICO BANDOL, and for the proposed facility layout design, the machine should be moved in one place, which is the third floor, for a more efficient production process and to make sure the necessary inspection take place. Sharp production objects or tools should be stored on a rack on a lower surface to guarantee worker safety and accessibility. In order to accommodate the walk-in customers, it is recommended to have a receiving area placed facing the front door with a receiving desk and furniture to provide an inviting atmosphere. An air conditioning system in the storage room is advised, while more natural ventilation in the sewing and cutting rooms is required through the use of doors, windows, and other openings for a cooler working environment, ensuring health and safety. And for the handling system design, manual handling and hand packing should be utilized to transfer cloth from the fabric shop to the cutting section, division by division. Racks, trays, and side benches are recommended for an efficient production process. Machines are raised by wooden blocks to suit taller employees, and an adjustable table and seat are provided to suit for the workers.
Let's proceed to the quantitative analysis. For the capacity, with the proposed facility design layout, the company will be able to fulfill bigger orders as the new storage location keeps more product on hand, making the business fulfill orders in a timely manner without accumulating back orders. For the quality, the use of cutter machine would be able to minimize the waste of material and the cost of the cutting room due to the cutting, the speed, and its precision. For the space, the proper placement of facility rooms, organization of production, and storage areas will utilize the available space in the workplace. With this, the proposed redesigned workspaces would allow the employees to reduce strain and improve posture in the process of producing goods for the company. Last is the efficiency gains. The company needs to improve the efficiency and focus on profitability in order to increase their edge in the market. Therefore, the application of the proposed facility design layout is necessary as it does not only present the optimal physical arrangement for space saving, but it is also well designed for reducing material and labor movement.
Then, for qualitative analysis, in terms of ergonomics, Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ applies a good ergonomics focusing on the work surface of its employees as indicated on the handling design system from the proposed layout of the business. In particular, the purpose of the new workplace design is to handle as many garments as possible while also recognizing the ergonomic principles of posture and movement, which are essential in ensuring a safe, healthy, and comfortable working environment in Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ. For safety and health, modern sewing industry relies heavily on machines. They have, however, brought risk into the workplace along with increased productivity. In the new layout, it ensures that machine maintenance should be prioritized to extend their economic life, minimize malfunctions, prevent defective outputs, and maintain safe operation. Workers should be protected from the pollution caused by the regular use of solvents for cleaning as well as the inclusion of cotton or other fibers in the workplace. Lastly, for the environmental improvements, Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ thinks high levels of dust blocks efficient production that may affect materials and finished goods. Dust should be cleaned on a regular basis and cleaning should be done in a more thorough manner as often as needed. Air conditioning in addition to the new layout are being used to ventilate the workplace because it can also be used to remove hazardous substances from the workspace. By having more ventilated windows, contaminated air can be pushed or dissolved. Lastly, Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ lets the nature help their manufacturing business by keeping the whole enterprise premises green by planting trees. Trees or bushes helps to reduce the harmful effects of the sun's radiation and warm winds. They also form a natural filter preventing dust from penetrating inside the facility.
To implement the proposed facility design, the researchers assessed the total material cost and total labor cost to be able to perform the project. With this, the total proposed facility cost is 438,510.58 pesos. With an estimate amount of net income 4.5 million, the cost of improvement can be paid back in a period of 1 month. The calculated return of investment of 10.26% signifies that the net return is positive, in which Curtain Decor and Fashion IQ's ROI is measured as profitable.
And for the Gantt chart, Curtain Decor suggested facility layout and design will take up to 12 months to complete. The first month will be for planning and budgeting, and the second month for layout designing. The third and fourth month will be allotted for construction. The fifth month will be for electrical and plumbing installation, and the sixth month for concrete building. The seventh month will be allotted for buying machines and furnitures and fixtures. And the arranging of these objects will be on the 8th month, cleaning will be on the 9th month, inspection will be on the 10th, and maintenance will be on the last 2 months.
That will be all for our presentation. Thank you very much and stay safe.